Welcome to another unboxing. I've got Cordy's really excited. She's expecting a loop pet here pretty soon, but this isn't it, Cordy, so we're gonna put you to the side. I'm actually unboxing my very first Legion of Collectors. It's got Arrow, Green Arrow on the front from the TV show Arrow. This month's theme is based on the DC TV, so Arrow, Flash, Supergirl, Legends of Tomorrow. So yeah, let's get into this and make sure to check out my other unboxing videos as well. So much stronger than me! There's normally supposed to be I thought there was supposed to be a button there, a pin there, but they got this Supergirl patch.
That's cool.
So that's pretty exciting. Supergirl patch.
There's still glue there from where something
I know there's still glue,
be.
so something was there. Something was glued there. If you're seeing this Funko Pop, I need whatever was there. But yeah, look inside here. This is cool, this artwork. We have a lot of the Justice League members in here. Got Aquaman, Batman, Flash, Superman, Wonder Woman up here, Green Arrow, Green Lantern. Yeah, this is pretty... More Batman. This is pretty cool. Okay, t-shirt for last.
Yeah.
Okay. Flash comic with the TV Flash on the cover. That's pretty cool. Oh.
Uh-oh.
It's a Supergirl rock candy. Oh my gosh.
You just showed me that the other day that you wanted that.
This is a different one.
Oh.
Oh wow. Look at that. Nice. Oh. A J. Garrett Flash. Oh my gosh. This is an exclusive to this box. Oh my gosh. That is dope. It does not look like the pin fell down in here. So if there is a pin, there's some Batgirl artwork in the box. But we got the t-shirts, so it's an Arrow t-shirt. It says, what's it say on it? Arrow, Star City, only weapon, Oliver Queen. Pretty cool t-shirt here.
That's awesome.
I needed an Arrow t-shirt. That'll go with my Stephen Amell sweatshirt. Let's recap. We got the Arrow t-shirt, the Flash comic, the Supergirl patch, and my two favorites right here, the Supergirl rock candy and the J. Garrett pop. This was a okay box. I was really excited about these. I'm a little disappointed that I didn't get a pin just because there was clearly glue there for the pin, so yeah, these more than make up for that. And I will be wearing my Arrow shirt too, so alright, catch you on the flip side.